everyone, welcome back to Python with Anvita. So if you're new to programming, you probably haven't installed an IDE, Integrated Development Environment, yet. There are many you can choose from, but I'll be sticking to my favorite, which is PyCharm. There's also a link in the description which will help you install it. Okay, so today we'll just be exploring PyCharm. So let's start exploring PyCharm. So that's the run button up there. There's nothing there because we haven't written anything yet. Now if you right click, you'll find a menu. Over there, there's a run option. You press that and it will run it for you. And now there's a rerun option over there. Any Python program has three things: input, calculation, and output. Input is when you ask the user for some data. Calculation is when you work with the data the user gave you and some things you had from before. And output is what you want to show the user. To recap, most programs have input, calculation, and output. Most programs will have all three of them, but in simpler programs you may have, say, just an output. And shouldn't we start simple? So the most commonly used output function is print. So print normally just prints whatever you write. So let's start with hello world. So you have to use quotes to print it, single quotes or double quotes, but let's stick with double quotes for now. So we're going to print hello world. So let's see what happens. Okay, so it printed hello world. Now let's try printing something more. So let's print hello again. Let's run it, and hello world, hello again, same thing. Now did you know that print can also do calculations? Well, let's test it out. Let's start with something simple like 2 plus 2. Four. Let's try something else too. So let's try using a different operator this time. How about 4 minus 2? Add spaces so that it looks neat, and let's run it. 2. So apparently print can also calculate. We will be exploring print more in the next video. I hope you all enjoyed this lesson. Bye for now.